Hello team, so this is the school management solution which I am going to show you. So this is a dashboard. Here you can check fees collection and expense, income, fees collection expense from which session we have selected. Expenses we can check. Here we can check fees overview, inquiry, library overview, student today attendance. After that, here you can check your monthly fees collection, expenses, how much students we have, how much employer staff we have. Or here you can check, this is your HR calendar, or here you can set up your events, what events you are running, so you can set up your events here. After that, here we are front office. In front office, here you can check admission inquiry data. You can call, you can edit, or you can delete. You can ask for follow-up as well. You can share like what response they done or no. If you want to add any note, then you can add. Here you can edit your you can check your follow-up data. Here you can check your summary. You can edit, you can delete, or you can create multiple admission inquiry. After that, we have a visitor book, so we can check visitor data here. Who are visit on your gate or somewhere where they can add visitor data. Here you can view edit, or you can edit as well, you can delete as well, or you can add multiple visitors. You just need to add purpose, name, and some data, then it will be done for you. After that, we have a phone call log, postal dispatch, postal receive. If any complaint was there, that complaint you can check. You can create multiple complaint as well. Here you can set up, like here you can add your purpose, complaint type, source, and reference. After that, we have a student informations. So here you can search your student. You just need to select class section. So student will come here. You can check student data. You can easily add it. Here you can add fees. So if you want to add fees, then you can add. Here you can check this is paid or unpaid. You can check. You can add fees. Here you can get fees number, or here you can add fees. After that, you can collect fees. You can print as well. Okay. Let me show you other data as well. Just allow me some seconds. Here you can search by keywords like student name, roll number, enrollment number. Okay, you can add it. You can check the data as well. If you click on any user, then that data will open. Here you can check profile data, fees data, exam data, documents, and timeline. You can add those data as well. Here you can check admission, roll number, and other data. Here you can send student password, send parents password. You can send them. You can check your login details. You can add it as well. After that, if you want to add any student, then you just need to add some data, then you can add student. After that, online admission data will come here. If you disable someone, that data will come here. Here you can check multi-class students. So who are working, who are studying in multi-class, that student data will come here. You can select criteria. You can add multiple like which class and which section they are doing. So here you can set up all the things. You can delete in a bulk. Here you can set up bulk student category, students house. Here you can add your disabled regions as well. After that, fees collection we have. So here you can collect fees. So you just need to select class. So all student data will come here, or you can ask for fees. Search fees payment, search dues payment. We have fees master. We have, so here you can set up your fees, fees group, fees type we have. So here you can set up your own all types of fees. After that, we have an income. So here you can set up income. Okay, here you just need to add some data, or you can create income. You can search income. You can add multiple income head. Then same thing for the expenses we have. After that, you can manage your attendance. So here you can check students attendance. So we selecting class and section or today date. So here you can mark as present, mark as late, absent, and half day. You can save attendance easily. You can mark as holiday as well if you want to mark. Here you can mark attendance by date as well. So you can select any date, just search it. You can check your attendance. Here you can check your approved leave. So if any students request for any leave, that data will come here and you can approve that. After the examination, so here you can create multiple exam group, schedule, exam results we have. So here you can set up your exam results. Here you can design your admit card. You just need to have some data. So your admit card will be design, which data you need to add or not. You can set up all the things. Here you can print your admit card. You just need to select exam, session, class section, or admit card template. So you can search, it will be come here. Currently we are not adding much data here, that's why it's not coming. Whenever you add data, then student data will come, or you can generate that. Here you can check design mark sheet, here you can print mark sheet, here you can set up your marks grade. Online examinations we have, so here you can check all online examination complete data here. You can easily add questions, you can add it, you can manage, or you can exam evaluations we have, so you can manage that. If you want to create any exam, then you can create. You just need to add some data and you can create. If you want to add any question, so you just need to add some data like single choice, multiple choice, true false, or description, descript type. So user will describe. Questions label, subject, class, and we can select section. Now we go for search, so data will come and then you can manage it. After that you can edit as well. Here you can check exam questions, so if you add any question, that data will come here. After that we have a question bank, so how much question you add in, so that data will come here. You can add or you can input as well. After that we have a lesson plan, so you can manage your lesson plan. You just need to select teacher, or you can manage that. You can manage syllabus lesson as well. You just need to select some settings, subject, then it will be come here. You can export that data. You can manage your lesson topics. After that we have academic, so here you can add your class timetable. You just need to select class and section, it will come here, and then you can manage that. If you want to add, then just click on add options, then you can do select group, search, or here you can create. After that we have a teacher timetable, so here you can create teacher timetable. Okay, here you can check assign class teacher, so here you can assign your class teacher. Promote students, so you can promote. Here you can check subject group, subject, class, section, so you can set up your own data, what data you want to add. After that we have a staff directory in HR, so all types of staff data will come here, like teachers we have, accountant we have, or many other department like manager we have, so you can manage that. You can edit any user, you can add any user, you can view any user. So here you can check user data, users payroll, users leave, attendance, documents, and time sheet. After that staff attendance we have, so here you can set up staff attendance. Payroll we have, approve leave request we have, you can apply for leave, here you can apply. After that we have a leave type, so here you can set up leave type. After that we have a teacher rating, so here you can check teacher rating. Here you can check department, you can set up multiple department here, designation, or you can disable staff. After that we have a communication, so here you can check notice board, send email. So if you want to send email, then you can send email to any students, any guardian, admin, and all. Here you can select to any individual, any class, or who have a birthday. After that you can send SMS as well. If you want to send SMS, here you can check your email and SMS complete logs. After that we have a download center, so here you can upload content, okay, assignments, study material, you can manage all the things. After that we have homework, so here you can set up homework. First let me show you data as well. We selecting and searching, so if we create any homework, the data will come here. If you click here, then you can create homework. You just need to add some data. Homework date, let's select today's date. Submission date, so we select submission date, attached document, and description. So homework will be assigned to this class. After that we have a library, so here you can check book list. How much book you had created, that data will come here. You can edit it or you can create. Here we have a issue written, so if you that data will come here if any return is there. After that we have other data as well. Let me show you, like add students, so you can add students. Okay, you can check, or you can add like staff member list, so you can manage all the things here. After the inventory we have, so here you can manage your inventory. Transport, you can manage like routes, so here you can set up your routes. You can set up your vehicles. Here you can set up your you can assign a vehicle as well. Assign vehicle to any driver. Then we have a hostel, so here you can add your hostel rooms and all. After that we have a certificate, so here you can add certificate or you can generate certificates. Here we have a front end as well, so here you can set up some pages or something if you want to add. After that we have alumni, so here you can set up your alumni. Here you can set up your events, so if any events was there, then you can create any event. After that these are reports: student report, finance reports, attendance reports, online examination reports. So these all reports you can check and you can manage it. After that, let me show you some settings as well. So here you can set up like which session you are running. So here you can select your current session, attendance type, language, date, currency, student auto number, student ID auto generate, online examination and all. You can manage it. After that, these are sessions which we have created. You can easily delete your old session or you can create new session. Currently we active this session. We can just click on edit option and then we can just seconds. Okay, so we can easily delete, or here we can edit what we want to edit. Okay, if you want to manage, so you can manage. After that we have a notification setting, so here you can check notification. You can change the template. Here you can select, so if student admission done, then what he or she will get, like email or SMS, or only email, like that. After that we have SMS, so we are using this gateway. You can select any one for using our SMS things. After that we have an email. We are using SendMail and SMTP for this. After that we have a payment method, so we are using multiple payment gateway already, like PayPal we have, Stripe, InstaMojo, Razorpay, Paytm and many more. You can use any of it. You just need to add key, it will work for you. After that you can set up your role permission. You can assign permission, what permission you want to assign. With those permission they can manage your solution easily. After that backup, we have languages. We have here you can set up multiple languages. Users we have, you can set up multiple users. Modules we have and many more. So here you can manage your complete school solutions, because this is a very big solution, so it's completely help you to manage a complete school. So if you have any query or doubts, you can connect with us. We will definitely help you. Thank you.